me again, and today is the last video of the week. So today I'm going to be showing you how to Dutch braid. It is very simple braid and it looks very elegant and really, really nice. So to start out, I'm going to take my bottle with some water in it, my spray bottle. I'm going to just spritz it in my hair. It's easier to braid with damp hair than with dry hair for me. Now I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to brush it out. Just get all the knots and tangles out of my hair, because my hair gets very tangly at night, so I would like to brush it. Alright, so now that it's brushed, I'm going to take where my temples are. I'm going to take my hair and I am going to split it so I only have that half part. Then I'm just going to smooth it out with my brush. Alright, then this is where it gets kind of tricky. All you have to do is you take your hair and split it into 3 sections. There's 1. There's 2 and 3. Alright, so next what you're going to do is you're going to take your right strand, bring it under the middle strand. And then you're going to take your left strand and bring it under the middle strand. And then this time you're going to grab some hair and add it to the right strand and bring that underneath the middle. Then you're going to readjust your hands and you are going to grab some more hair, but from the left side, and put it in with the left strand. Then you're going to bring that underneath the middle. So you're going to take hair from the side, bring it into the strand, and you are going to bring it underneath the middle. Then you're going to do the same thing on this side. And I like to check now if it is forming. It's forming very nicely. So then I'm just going to keep grabbing hair and adding it in and bringing it underneath. So take hair from the left side, put it in with the left strand, bring it underneath the middle strand. Same thing over here, take hair, add it to the right strand, bring it underneath the middle. Then you're just going to keep repeating this pattern until you get all the way to the bottom of your hair. So you want to add hair into the right strand, bring it under the middle, add hair to the left side, and put it in under the middle strand. And then this is my last piece. You're going to take this and add it to the right strand. And then what I like to do is I just like to continue this pattern, but now since there's no hair, you're just going to continue it all the way to the bottom of your hair until you can't braid anymore. So you're just going to go under and under, under and under. And I just like to complete it because it looks a lot cleaner and really, really nice. So as you finish your braid, you're going to want to have your ponytail ready. And again, I like to use the thick ones. And all you do is you just wrap it around until you can't wrap it around anymore. So for me, it normally takes a lot of times, because when I get to the bottom of my hair, it gets really thin. So I like to wrap it around as much as I can. Alright. And that is how you do a Dutch braid. And this is what it looks like. Let me turn around, and this is what it looks like. It pops off the head, so you can see, and it looks like a French braid, except it's off your head. So thank you for watching my tutorial, and please like this video and subscribe, and please come back on Monday for another video. Thank you. Bye.